With slippers left at the entrance and heads bowed down in reverence, these people are not paying obeisance to God. But then, for the Dalits in Uttar Pradesh, Mayawati and Kanshiram are no less than God.
There might be numerous debates on the issue of UP Chief Minister Mayawati spending more than rupees 3,000 crores for installing her own statues and constructing memorials in the name of Dalit leaders. And that also in a state where health and education system are in dismal condition. But for Mayawati's supporters, by installing her own statues and by constructing memorials in the name of Dalit leaders, Mayawati has instilled a sense of pride in the community.
The Samajik Parivartan Sthal and the Prerna Sthal built by the Mayawati regime are must-see places for Dalits coming to Lucknow. Like this group of visitors from Maharashtra who have travelled all the way just to visit these places.
Frankly speaking, we feel very much proud for Mayawati. And not only from Maharashtra but from all the Indian people. We give lots of blessing to her and to her government that she should live long and she create not only this monument but she should create many monuments like this in India.
The group tries to echo the feelings of their community. They say they feel safer in Uttar Pradesh and the credit goes to Mayawati. The general feeling, in fact, is this, that even though oppression of Dalits exists, but that's because of the upper caste.
They have always tried to make them downtrodden. They don't allow us to evolve out, which I am working as a professor in a senior college and even sometimes I have to face such problems.
Political analysts feel that Dalits in Uttar Pradesh are operating at two levels. One, where they are empowered because of their chief minister, and the other, where in villages nothing much has changed.
Nothing has changed at the ground. The reality is the same. But on the other hand, because of her policy, focused policy to promote herself as a symbol, as an icon, that the process of empowerment has also begun.
Though the condition of Dalits have not changed much on ground level, but their political importance is now well known in UP. And that is why not only BSP but political parties like Congress, who so far were known to be party of minorities and upper caste, is trying to get Dalit voters in its fold. And the task is taken by none other than Rahul Gandhi, who ensures to visit Dalit localities and villages on his each visit to the state. With video journalist Gopal Chaudhary and Raj Tripathi, NewsX, Lucknow.